You said never let me go.
Hello viewers, this video is about downloading FB, Insta, YouTube videos to iPhone and it can be shared in WhatsApp or any other sharing apps. Before that, we need to download a free app Down from App Store. Let me reproduce for an Instagram reel as the process is same for all other social media videos. I'm just opening a reel and if I want that to be downloaded, click on three horizontal dots at the right bottom of the screen and select copy link. Once the link is copied, navigate to Down app where the link will be pasted defaultly. Now click on generate to download the video to your iPhone. Yup, the video is stored in your Photos app and it can be shared to anyone. Likewise, you can download FB videos, YouTube shorts and videos and Twitter videos too, as it follows the same process. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.